G'day guys, Socket here. Today we've just finished the tune to target end-to-end car audio tuning demonstration, and now I'm out in the car just about to have a listen to how it kind of turned out. So I'm just going to play a few random tracks so you can have a bit of a listen. I say it's a good daily bass tune. Probably needs a little bit of fine tuning just to get things absolutely centered up and a little more focused, but yeah, for the time spent on doing the tune, it turned out pretty well. So yeah, let's have a listen.
And I saw it coming, I saw emptiness and tragedy, and I felt like running so far away, but knew I had to stay. And I know when I'm older, I look back and I still feel the pain. I know I'll be stronger, and I know I'll be fine for the rest of my days. I've seen better days. I left the house, left the room with the foxy on my back and my supplies in a magic pack, and I followed the sound of music, not up a hill but down to an old wharf shack. Inside I heard the trumpets call, a salute to the champions on the wall, and in the jazz of squalls and in passion balls she danced. Oh, and the night she looked so fine to me. Oh, I am a man on an odyssey, so tie me to the mast, I must believe. Oh, diddy, I just had to look. I said, oh, diddy, all the ships that shook. I singing our patch, don't ring, little black book. Ah, fucking fishes to my hook.
So there you go guys, running a bit low on battery, so I'm gonna have to call it quits there, but you get the general idea. So yeah, if you're after a quick good sounding daily tune, then I can highly recommend the Tune to Target software. And so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little demo. I will catch you in the next episode.